This is a troubleshooting installation video for people who have probably used the tuner in the past. You're trying to install it through the installer, but now we're no longer using the installer. We're just using a zip file to get it started. So let's switch over. Alright, so you know, you've installed it, it's still not working for you guys. So what's going on? So what you want to do here is make sure we go to control panels and uninstall the FOI auto tuner. Anything that's you know, in the installation file, just go ahead and kind of remove it. I think I've already removed it in mine, so you shouldn't be able to see it here. So it should be, yeah, it should not be here. Alright, so make sure you get rid of that. And then any processes that you have that are CEF browsers, you want to kill. So CEF browsers is a U-bot deal. Anything that says U-bot in it, you want to kill all those processes. Okay, and once that's done, you then want to go over and make sure you delete under C drive app data roaming. Go over here. You want to make sure you delete that U-bot folder. Okay, once that's done, then go back over here and run this, and you'll see some installation files install, and it will most likely open, and it should work. As far as I know, if it doesn't, let me know. But this should work for 1.071 as far as this video. If there's any new versions, there should be the same way as far as opening them. And that's it. Okay, thank you.